Hello friends, do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look on the board and tell me which shape is the last shape that we drew on the board yesterday? Which shape was the last shape in our pattern? That will tell us what yesterday was, and then we can figure out what today is. Did you guess yellow circle? Good job. So yesterday was Friday, March 5th, 2021. And from this square, we're going to move one square over to the right because we always read left to right. And we're going to put in the next shape in our pattern. What do you think the next shape is going to be? It's a little bit tricky because our pattern is a little bit different from last month. Let's go back to the beginning and see if we can figure it out. Green clover, yellow circle, green clover, yellow circle, yellow circle. That's right. It's a little bit tricky. So you can practice making a yellow circle on your paper or on your calendar. And if you don't have a paper or calendar, you can just practice by making a circle in the air with your finger. Are you ready? So we start up at the top and we go all the way around. And then we just color that in. And it's okay if it's not perfectly round. We're all just practicing and we'll get better the more that we practice. So now that we know which square is today, we can figure out what the name of the day is. And do you remember how many days of the week there are? Let's count them up and then say the names together. Are you ready? It's okay if you don't know them all yet. We will practice together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. Thank you for singing that with me. It's much more fun when we do it together. So if we start in our square and we go up, it says Saturday. And Saturday begins with the letter S. And S sounds like S. Can you do that? Go S, like a slithery snake. And those words start with S too. Slithery snake. So Saturday begins with a capital S because it's the name of the day. A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Sat-er-day. Saturday. So it has 3 syllables. Will you clap them with me? Saturday. Good job. One more time. Saturday. Excellent. Now let's put Saturday into our agenda. So before we put Saturday into our agenda, we are just going to check off that we did our stuff yesterday. And I didn't do it the day before. The day before I did read a book, so I'm going to check that off. And I did make my castle yesterday. It turned out really good. And I did a little puppet show with my stuffed animals. So that was really fun. So we're going to start our sentence by printing today is. And that begins with a capital T because it's the first word in our sentence. So we have a capital T and then O, D-A-Y. And then we're going to put is, I-S. And today is Saturday. So we're going to put a capital S because it's the name of the day. A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. And then we're going to put a comma. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say the next word. And the next word is going to be our month. Do you remember how many months there are in the year? Let's count them up together. Are you ready? It's okay if you don't remember. We'll practice together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. Let's see if we can remember the names. Are you ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And do you remember what month it is? I'll give you a hint. It's the 3rd month from the top. Let's count down. 1, 2, 3. So we are in March. So we put March at the top of our calendar so that we can always just glance at it and know that it's March. And it begins with a capital M. And M sounds like Can you say M is for words like munching or muffins. Those are great M words. So capital M, A-R-C-H, March. And it is a 1-syllable word, so we clap just once. Are you ready? March. Do it with me one more time. March. Good job. Let's put March into our sentence in our agenda. Today is Saturday, comma, and there's not enough room here, so I'm going to come down and go back to the beginning. March, capital M, A-R-C-H. And next we're going to put in the number What do you think the number is today? Oh, I hear some great guesses. Let's see. Yesterday was 5. So when we count, we say 5, but when we put it in the calendar, we say 5th. Can you say 5th? That's right. So when we count, what do you think comes after 5? Oh, I hear such great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and let's count and see if we're correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you guess 6? Let's draw a 6. You can draw on your paper or on your calendar. And if you don't have a paper or calendar, you can just draw with your finger in the air. Are you ready? We'll start up at the top here and we're going to curve down to the bottom to the left. And then we're going to go to the right and circle up and make a little loop. That's the 6. Good job. Let's count backwards. Are you ready? It's okay if you don't know yet. We'll practice together. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Good job. Let's put the number 6 into our sentence. Today is Saturday, March 6th. So put the 6 there, and then we're going to put a comma. And that comma is going to remind us to pause before we say the year. Do you remember what the year is? It's easy to find. It's at the top of the calendar by the month. Are you ready? 2021, or you can say 2021. Let's put it into our sentence. Today is Saturday, March 6th, 2021. 2021. And then a period. And that period reminds us to stop. We're not going to say any more after our sentence. Will you say the whole sentence with me? It's okay if you don't know yet. We'll practice together. Today is Saturday, March 6th, 2021. Thank you for saying that with me. It makes it much more fun when we do it together. Next, I'm going to practice all of my numbers up to the number 6. I want to practice my numbers every day so I get really good at them. You can practice on your paper, or you can practice in the air with your finger. Or if you want, you just say them along with me as we go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Did you peek outside to see what the weather was like today before we got started? What's the weather like for you? Is it snowing? It's not snowing where I am. What about raining? Is it raining where you are? There's not raining here. It's still a little bit too cold for rain, and there's no clouds. So cloudy, is it cloudy for you? No, it's not cloudy here. What about sunny? It's very sunny where I am, so I'm going to hang on to that one. What about partly cloudy? Is it partly cloudy, partly sunny for you? Let's put the sun up here. And will you help me put the weather into our weather chart? So the first one is raining, but it's not raining here. Let's go down to the next one. Snowing? Nope, it's not snowing here. There is the sunshine. So we're going to put another tally mark in our sunshine. And you can practice with me on your paper, or you can do it with your finger in the air. You start up at the top and strike it down. So we already have how many? 1, 2. 2 tally marks. We're going to make one more. What does 2 plus 1 make? Let's put another tally mark here. Start up at the top and strike down. Let's count these up and see if our guess is correct. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. We've had 3 sunny days so far. Thank you for helping me with the weather chart. Let's put it into our agenda. So we're having lots of sunny days this month. Let's put a sun here. We'll color in our circle. I'd like to go out and go ice skating, but I think that it might be too nice out and we won't have enough. The ice might be a little bit slushy. So I'm going to stay in and I'm going to build a fort. So I'm going to start by putting a chair over here and another chair over here. Chairs are great for building forts. And then I am going to put a blanket over top. Have you ever built a fort? Forts are great fun. So I know you can see the chairs through there, but I wanted you to see what's inside my fort. And then we put a blanket over top. And that blanket makes the fort. You can do it with a coffee table. You can do it on the back of the couch. We used to do it over the back of the couch and the seat of the couch and just have the blanket over top. There's all kinds of ways to build forts. Next, I'm going to put my name, and I want you to practice your name every day as well. It's very important to practice our name every day. So put a capital at the beginning of your name because your name is very important. Capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. And if you don't know how to make all of these letters yet, that's okay. You just practice one letter every day, and eventually you will know all the letters in the alphabet and you will be able to print all the words that you would like. So today we're practicing the letter A, and you can do it with me on your paper, or you can do it in the air with your finger. Are you ready? Go to the top and come down. Then go back up to the top and come all the way down again, and then cross it in the middle. Let's do that one more time. Go to the point up at the top and come down to the left. Then go back up to the top and come down to the right, and then cross it in the middle. This is an uppercase A and this is a lowercase a. So now let's make a circle. It's half the size of an uppercase A. Let's make a circle. And then a line. And that is an A. Let's do it again. Make a circle all the way around and then a line. And now you've made a lowercase a. If you practice every day, you'll get really good at it. How are you feeling today? I was feeling pretty happy yesterday. How do you think I'm feeling today? Do any of these look familiar to you? Are you feeling happy? Were you happy yesterday? I might be happy. I'm looking forward to building my fort today. If it's not too slushy out, I might go outside and play. Or if it's really slushy, I might put some rubber boots on and some splash pads and go out and play. Are you grouchy? Are you grouchy today? Did something bad happen that made you sad or angry? Where's the sad face? There's the sad face. Are you sad or angry today? It's okay to be sad or angry. What about nervous? Are you nervous or worried? Maybe confused about something that you don't know enough information about? Or are you excited? I think I'm excited today because I'm going to make a fort. And my kind thing is that I'm going to show the other people in my house how to make a fort. If you know how to make a fort, that can be a really kind thing to do, to show the other people that you know how to make a fort. So that's going to be my kind activity today. Do you know how to do something that you can show people how to do? I bet you do. And I bet they would love for you to show them how. So I hope you have a wonderful day and you find something kind to do. And we will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.